Hey there guys, and welcome to Overwatch. I love Blizzard. Blizzard's perfect. So I'm a Blizzard fanboy, if you couldn't tell. I love everything they do with video games, from World of Warcraft to StarCraft, all the way to Overwatch. And so we're gonna do a little bit of a Let's Play. I'm excited for this one. Gonna enjoy it, because I always enjoy video games. Let's get started. Okay, so we picked Soldier 76, because soldiers are always good at killing people. And I think that's what we're supposed to do in this game, is kill the other team. Yeah. Apparently this is a really team-based game, like it's based heavily around working well with your teammates. But you know what? I'm a solo mission. I'm a solo act. I am the master. And I don't need teammates, so we're gonna win. And it's all gonna be because of me. That's all you need to know. Here we go, boys. Ow. They're already shooting us? Come on, boys. Show me. Oh, gosh. I'm gonna win. Well, that's a little bit awkward. I'm gonna lie, I didn't expect to die that fast. I blame the game makers for unbalanced gameplay. This is beautiful scenery, by the way. Like I said, I'm a Blizzard fanboy, so really anything they do, I'm gonna be like, oh my gosh, it's perfect! But for real, this is perfect. Oh! And he sneaks up from behind and kills him with a nasty shot to the facial region, because English, you know. I will say that in any first-person shooter invented ever in the history of life, if you know the map layout, you're bound to do pretty good. And I never know the map layout, because I'm a terrible person. Oh wow, and apparently a terrible shot, but 1 out of every 50 hitting was apparently enough to grab him. I'm just gonna sneak up behind you and holy moly! I'm so bad at this game! I think he like two-shot me. I feel like the guy with this Peacemaker, the revolver, is just... Oh, yeah, that's nasty. That's nasty. Good thing I am super newbie and found a character that heals himself. How does his shield last? Oh my goodness, that timing. That timing. Oh, I got stuck. I'm gonna die. I lied. What just happened? Oh, 12-player kill streak! Ah, I'm so pumped! I love this game. I love, if you guys haven't noticed by now, I love games when I do good, and when I do bad, I hate games. So, basically, I love all the games I play. Sucker! Smack talk is my forte, and that's about it. It's about the only thing I'm actually good at. Ow, 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 ow. That hurt a lot. Oh, mama. Ooh. Didn't mean to make you cry. But sometimes that hurts. That hurts. Yes! I hope I get play of the game. I deserve play of the game. I am the master. Okay, maybe not. But I know my team won, and that's all that matters. Oh, yes.
Epic. Justice.
Ah, I got the epic. I don't know what that does, but I got it. Okay, I'm a one-trick pony. Okay, what do you want from me? This character feels more like an assassin-based character. Ooh, I even regenerate my health. That's kind of nice. Oh, I got him. He was down to 1/2, man. Oh, gosh. That dash, though, is pretty sweet. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think I had my chat muted the whole time. So everybody's like hearing me just commentate to myself, like, what is wrong with this guy? He's just sitting here talking with himself. I don't think I like this guy. Okay, screw it. You know what? I want to win my last game, okay? I'm not good at this, so I'm gonna pick my one character. Ow. Anyways, guys, that was Overwatch. Thanks so much for joining me. If you guys liked it, hit the like button down below. I said hit the like button down. I'm just kidding. That lets me know that you guys want to see some more. And we'll see you next time. Toodles!